Good morning. Thank you for tuning in to your daily operations weather brief for Friday, March 8th. Seeing some abundant mid and upper level cloudiness out there this morning. That will be the case throughout the workday today. Going to remain dry for most of the day, but as we get towards the end of the workday after about 4 p.m., we'll start to see some slight chances of showers being introduced, with showers becoming likely in the early evening time frame. Taking a look at our surface analysis from this morning, still have some high pressure and control across the northeastern United States. It is north of the area, so that is helping to prompt a onshore flow across the region. We are going to be seeing that high temperature today occur fairly early, likely before noon, and then as we get that system approaching that you could see there across the Appalachians, that's going to help to bump down those temperatures, especially as the clouds start to thicken and we get some precipitation falling. On this map, there is a little bit of precipitation over the Wallops area on the map, but that is mostly falling as Virgo right now, so still seeing those lower levels of the atmosphere too dry to see any precipitation fall until we get into the late afternoon and early evening time frame with that system coming from the west. Taking a look at our surface loop this morning, we did have those temperatures near freezing or just at freezing across many locations across the mid-Atlantic. We've seen those temperatures rise fairly quickly this morning with that onshore flow, seeing those temperatures in the low 40s now, and they are going to be still unseasonably cool today, running around 10 degrees below average, only seeing those highs in the low to mid 40s across the region before they drop as that system approaches. Can't rule out seeing a very brief mix of rain and snow up near Salisbury and areas north of there as well on the onset of this. Here at Wallops, looks like it's going to be all rain for the entirety of the rain event. Not expecting really a whole lot of rain, maybe a tenth of an inch or 2/10 at the very most, likely not even that. And then once that system leaves after about midnight tonight, going to see some low cloudiness for the morning hours tomorrow and perhaps even for much of the day tomorrow. As of 8 a.m., seeing broken cloud deck. Few at 9,500, broken at 10,000, broken at 25,000. Those winds were from azimuth 110 to 8 knots with a temperature of 41 degrees. Taking a look at our weather chart for today. Going to be looking at that high, like I said, occur before noon, likely around 45 degrees, then dropping from there. Not really expecting those temperatures to drop too much as we go in the overnight hours, remaining fairly mild in the mid to upper 30s with a low of 37 expected for Saturday morning. Winds are going to be southeasterly throughout the day, around 8 to 13 knots, and then as we go towards this evening, weakening to 4 to 9 knots after sunset, becoming light and variable at times after midnight before increasing to 5 to 10 knots from the northeast by Saturday morning. We are going to remaining dry throughout the day, throughout much of the workday, and then after about 2 p.m. we'll start to see a slight chance of a sprinkle here and there, rain becoming likely after 4 p.m. until about 8 p.m. and then after 8 p.m. to midnight, just going to be seeing some isolated showers lingering, most likely looking at some drizzle. And then after midnight, looks like we're going to get some low clouds moving into the area, seeing some patchy fog perhaps, and some patchy drizzle as well. Taking a look at our terminal forecast, going to just mainly see those mid and upper level clouds throughout the morning hours. As we go towards the afternoon, going to be seeing some clouds near 5,000 feet moving to the area, with that mid-level deck near 10,000 feet becoming overcast. In that 5,000 layer will become broken by the mid-afternoon hours, seeing some clouds near 2,500 feet move in just before the rain event, and then once it starts raining, we'll see those ceilings drop between 1,500 and 2,500 feet until about midnight. After midnight, that looks like we're going to be seeing some low clouds move in behind this system with that more northeasterly flow developing. We're going to be seeing those ceilings perhaps drop down to 500 feet, perhaps even a little bit below that, overcast around 10,000 feet after midnight into the mid-morning hours of Saturday. For tomorrow, going to be looking at a cloudy day. It's a little bit of a question mark if we're going to be seeing those low clouds linger throughout the day with that northeasterly flow. That looks definitely like a possibility. Definitely going to be seeing those low clouds with a patchy drizzle throughout the morning hours. Looking at only a high of 48 tomorrow. Could be a little cooler if we remained socked in throughout the entire day. For Saturday night, going to be continued cloudy. We're going to be having another system start to approach the area. This is going to be more in the form of a warm front. So we're going to be seeing our low early Saturday night with a early low of 42. We're going to see those shower chances start to increase late Saturday evening, becoming likely after midnight or after 2 a.m., and we'll also be seeing those temperatures rise throughout much of the night on Saturday. Sunday, we are going to be in a warm sector, not really expecting too much in the way of shower activity. Can't rule out some scattered showers lingering through the area, but before noon. But then afternoon, we're going to be seeing those clouds clear out, becoming partly to mostly cloudy. We're also going to be seeing a good southwesterly flow develop, and that's really going to warm things up for our Sunday with a high of 69 expected. That'll do it for your daily operations weather brief. We'll be back at 10 a.m. for your full weather briefing and extended outlook. Have a great day.